Pro One Endo Hygiene Monitoring System, SWE Swabs, and Mini Pro Auto Reader. Designed to detect and quantify residual proteins in cannulated devices after the cleaning process. A quick user guide. First, turn on your Mini Pro by connecting the power source. Now wait for it to reach the default temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. You can use the external thermometer to verify the temperature. You'll know when it's done when the temperature light stops blinking and remains on. Remember that the Pro One pens should be stored vertically and refrigerated. Before swabbing, remove the Pro One Endo from the pouch and allow it to reach a temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Choose the SWE swab according to the internal diameter of the cannula you need to test. And remember to avoid accidental contact between the absorbent part of the swab and any other surface or object at all times. Remove the swab from the packaging and moisten it by immersing it in the moisturizer solution for 5 seconds. Insert the swab into the internal channel of the endoscope or cannulated instrument until the swab has traveled through the entire instrument. Using scissors, cut off the tip of the swab containing the absorbent part approximately 20 centimeters from the end to make handling easier. Activate the Pro One Endo by pressing the handle firmly all the way down. Shake it vigorously downwards for about 15 seconds to collect the solution from the inner compartment. The solution must turn green. If the device is not shaken properly to achieve complete lowering of the liquid from the inner compartment, or large amounts of bubbles are observed in the solution, the results may be invalid. Remove the handle from the device and gently immerse the swab for 10 seconds in the solution. Slide the swab back up, remove it from the device, and discard it. Place the handle back on the device and immediately incubate it. Hold the Position Pro button to enable the position's reading mode. Place the protein pen in the activated position. Ensure it is correctly inserted into the bottom of the position and the pen does not rotate. Hold the Pro button for 1 second again to start the incubation and wait for the result. The Pro One Endo reading process takes 4 minutes in the Mini Pro Auto Reader and 7 minutes in IC1020FR and IC1020FR LCD incubators. Pull the remaining swab string left inside the cannulated instrument from the distal end to fully remove it and discard it. The color of the solution on the Pro One Endo can be used for an optional qualitative reading only if the interpretation is done immediately after the protein pen is removed when the program ends. If the protein pen is not removed as soon as a result is informed, the color of the solution will continue to evolve. For this reason, an audible alarm will be set off 30 seconds before the reading ends to warn the operator that the incubation time is about to finish. You can turn off the alarm by pressing the alarm button. When the incubation is completed, the Mini Pro will print the results and display a red or green light. Green light means the amount of residual protein swabbed is below the threshold set. Red light indicates the amount of residual protein swabbed is above the threshold set. Further details will be shown in the printed ticket. Also, you can use our exclusive Bionova Q traceability software to track, save, and manage all your readout processes. The only quantitative protein detection for cannulated devices. Are you ready to transform your hygiene monitoring process? Get Pro One Endo and SWE swabs today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more how-to guides and product insights.